So thank you to CySER for inviting me. As previous speaker said, that I'm the director of School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, and our school is a primary unit in running a cybersecurity program. So basically, I wanted to give you guys a snapshot of what we do, what are our strengths. So the name electrical engineering and computer science that encompass a wide spectrum of major fields. So we offer degree in computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, software engineering, and we are also part of university-wide data analytics program. The ECS is part, we don't run it. But then I'm very happy to share with you all from fall 23, we are starting the new cybersecurity degree program. And Professor Asifa, he is the main brain and action, everything, all the credit should go to him. I just sign a bunch of papers, whatever he asks me to sign, I sign off. But cybersecurity, I talk about our program, we are starting from fall 23. So if you take a look, as Professor Benial was saying, we are the biggest unit so far. If you take a look, we are actually, more than 1,000 undergraduate. Only computer science has around, so exact number is 1263 this year. And if our undergraduate program is big, our graduate program is also correspondingly big. And remember, in graduate student population, I generally show only the research student on funding. There are other non-thesis or project students involved there. And again, if a program is big, size of the program also governs the amount of student we are graduating. You can see in 2022, we graduated only computer science 134 students, only computer science. And also, the School of ECS program is not only in Pullman. We offer degree from our Everett and Bremerton campus. We also have a full-fledged program in Tri-Cities, but Tri-Cities is not under me. Though we have the same dean level leadership, but school level leadership is different. But then, and all our programs are accredited. So similarly for cybersecurity also, we will lead and do the needful for getting EBET accreditation. So like as I said, one single school, we are offering 5 accredited programs. Data analytics, they are separately accredited. That doesn't depend on EBET. That's a separate entity runs that program. So the question is, when we have so many new programs, so many existing programs, and introducing a new program, how am I going to support? So we have actually already done multiple new faculty in computer science and electrical engineering. I am only talking about computer science here because electrical engineering faculty, except their involvement with our power program or capstone design program, they are not going to teach cybersecurity courses. Am I correct, Asifa? That's correct. So we have 4 new faculty, computer science faculty joining in fall, 1 new in Everett, and 1 also new faculty in Tri-Cities. So already 6 new faculty, and there are existing, I think, another 3-4 faculty. So around 10 faculty will be dedicated for cybersecurity related curriculum. So that's a very good number. We will extend this number in coming year. So the point I am conveying here is that we have enough faculty strength to run a new program. But then what is the structure of this new cybersecurity curriculum? So we got all level of approvals, inside university, outside university, everything. 4-year degree plan is also live. You will see, if you go to our website, you will see all the cybersecurity related program update. Now 120 credits is same like our computer science and software engineering undergraduate program. First 2 years are very similar, like, to do a cybersecurity degree, you need enough breadth and depth in computer science. So data structure and algorithm, all these things you need to learn. From third year, means from junior year, you will be taking very specialized classes. I'm going to show some of the glimpses of the classes. And then, of course, we are doing on cyber operations and hands-on coursework, experimental learning, etc. And this Viceroy Institute, what Asifa is running, that has a huge synergy with our cybersecurity program. I should mention here that Viceroy, this is the enabling thing to start the cybersecurity. For that, this institute came first, and then we worked on the whole degree program. So that's why CySER is a very important component of our cybersecurity education and research. So you can see already, actually, we were aware due to CySER, the left-hand side courses already existed. And then we created all these new courses. And you will have, new required class, new elective. Every student in School of ECS, they go through our academic advising. We have a new dedicated advisor for cybersecurity, and you will get proper advice that which classes to take, which do not, the proper guidance. And please pay attention to cybersecurity capstone project. Capstone is very important in School of ECS. So I'm going to, finish my presentation by showing that our CS capstone code is a very rigorous, solid footing we already have. So just see, we just 1 year, 43 projects. That means each project team has 3 to 4 students. So how many students are going through capstone, you can see. But most of the 85 to 90% projects are industry sponsored. What the capstone instructor tells me that whatever project, whatever group is not doing an industry sponsored project, they themselves wanted to do a research oriented project. And if I go back to my previous slide, CS 432 will follow the same structure. So CS Computer Science Capstone Group, they will be guiding the cybersecurity capstone team, and our expectation is that in cybersecurity capstones will also be very significantly industry heavy representation. Because just to give you an example, F5 network. F5 has big security projects. So currently in CS, F5 projects are very much, there are multiple projects on cybersecurity. So my expectation is that we'll continue that trend. And then, Microsoft or Dell or ACL, Boeing, cybersecurity is very important for all these big corporations. So my expectation is that they will continue to sponsor our projects. And please understand that we are starting the program in fall of 23. So fall 24 will be as if for the first time when we'll go to capstone. Am I correct? So we have time. The capstone instructors will start their homework from this year, so that when we have first cohort of cybersecurity students, the capstone projects will be ready to go. So this is the nutshell of what School of ECS does and how we are geared and prepared to offer the new cybersecurity program. And I'm happy to answer any question you guys may have. Got a question? Yes.
So you mentioned new cybersecurity classes you're developing. Are those going to be ready by spring 2023?
Spring 23 is gone, so it will be ready fall 23. So some of the classes will be offering in fall 23.
So there will be one of the new courses already in spring 24.
Yeah.
So we should be.
But 327, 427, we already, that's on the book.
How much interest have you seen so far in the new cybersecurity degree program in terms of like students that have
Is pretty, aggressive. So my expectation is that a whole, remember one section of the courses, again, 50, 60 students generally, which will be full.
Are you interested in cybersecurity program? And is it, that you can
I'm already registered.
And all the ECS advisors, they are pretty hands-on with, the classes, what you need to take. Anything else? Other than that, enjoy the workshop and I wish you all very best. Thank you.